In the vast tapestry of human history, there exists a captivating chapter shrouded in mystery, the Stone Age. This enthralling era, which spanned from approximately 3.3 million years ago until around 3000 BCE, holds profound significance in our collective story. Join us as we embark on an illuminating and extensive journey through time, exploring the enigmatic realm of the Stone Age. Let us delve into the primordial tapestry of the Stone Age, an epoch marked by remarkable developments that would shape the course of human civilization for millennia to come. Stone tools, fashioned from flint, chert, obsidian, and other durable materials procured from their surroundings, served as the lifeline of our resourceful forebears. These early humans ingeniously crafted spearheads, knives, hand axes, scrapers, and other implements, using their intellect, dexterity, and acquired knowledge to adapt to their ever-changing environments. The Stone Age can be categorized into three distinct periods: the Paleolithic, the Mesolithic, and the Neolithic, each encapsulating its own unique challenges and discoveries. The Paleolithic era, often referred to as the Old Stone Age, invites us to immerse ourselves in a time of wonder and ancient artistry. Humans, living in small, nomadic groups, traversed expansive landscapes, following the migratory patterns of their prey. Within the dimly lit recesses of caves, they etched intricate murals on walls, vividly capturing the essence of their lives and beliefs. Paleolithic humans exhibited unparalleled hunting prowess, honing their skills and leveraging their knowledge of animal behavior to secure sustenance. Armed with spears, atlatls, and throwing sticks, they pursued game, their survival intricately entwined with the ebb and flow of the natural world. Their masterful techniques, characterized by cunning and cooperative strategies, enabled them to successfully navigate the dangerous terrain and triumph over formidable creatures such as the mighty mammoth. As the glaciers receded, ushering in a period of climatic transition, our resilient ancestors adapted to their ever-evolving surroundings. This transition from the Paleolithic to the Mesolithic era marked a crucial turning point in the annals of human history. Within the Mesolithic era, often referred to as the Middle Stone Age, we witnessed the dawn of unparalleled innovation. Early humans, armed with a growing arsenal of tools such as the ingenious microliths, meticulously crafted small stone blades, mastered the art of precision and efficiency. Mesolithic humans, fueled by a ceaseless thirst for exploration, embarked on daring expeditions across vast territories. With resourcefulness as their guiding principle, they developed innovative methods of fishing, constructed temporary yet practical shelters, and established complex social structures, forging the bedrock of their communities. Neolithic humans, no longer nomadic hunter-gatherers, seized the opportunity to cultivate crops and domesticate animals. Settling in fertile river valleys and establishing permanent settlements, they sowed the seeds of civilization. With stone axes and sickles, they tamed the land, nurturing grains such as wheat, barley, and rice, and reaping the rewards of a sedentary lifestyle. The advent of agriculture not only provided a stable food supply but also laid the foundation for significant societal changes. Neolithic communities grew in size and complexity, fostering specialized roles and leading to the birth of crafts such as pottery and weaving. These burgeoning civilizations erected awe-inspiring monuments, exemplified by the enigmatic Stonehenge and the captivating Göbekli Tepe. Stonehenge, a colossal stone circle in present-day England, stands as a testament to the Neolithic humans' architectural prowess, celestial knowledge, and cultural significance. Its alignment with the solstices and equinoxes suggests a deep understanding of astronomical phenomena and spiritual beliefs. In the arid hills of southeastern Turkey, the captivating site of Göbekli Tepe challenges our understanding of early civilization. This ancient sanctuary, dating back over 11,000 years, showcases intricate megalithic structures adorned with elaborate carvings of animals and abstract symbols. Its existence hints at the emergence of communal rituals, complex social structures, and a collective sense of identity. As the Stone Age drew to a close, humanity stood on the precipice of an incredible journey. The legacy of our ancestors, their triumphs, struggles, and awe-inspiring achievements continue to shape the tapestry of our lives today. Times has passed and no one can find the real use of the pyramid. Archaeologists and historians have tirelessly explored these ancient wonders, seeking to unravel the enigma of their construction. Step by step, they have pieced together the remarkable story of how these monumental structures came to be. The pyramids were not mere tombs for pharaohs, they were gateways to the afterlife, meticulously designed to ensure their rulers' eternal journey. The hieroglyphs adorning their walls provide insight into the beliefs and rituals that accompanied their construction. How were these colossal structures built with such precision and engineering prowess? Scholars and experts have debated various theories, from labor-intensive ramp systems to the use of advanced pulley mechanisms. Each theory offers a glimpse into the incredible ingenuity of ancient Egyptian architects and workers. The pyramids at Giza, including the Great Pyramid, remain some of the most remarkable architectural achievements in history. The sheer scale of these structures, aligned with celestial bodies and standing as a testament to human ambition, is a testament to the extraordinary vision of ancient Egypt. Beyond the grandeur of the pyramids' exteriors, hidden chambers and intricate passageways lie within. Recent discoveries, such as the secret chambers within the Great Pyramid, have sparked renewed interest and rekindled the quest to unveil their ancient secrets. No discussion of the pyramids would be complete without mention of the Sphinx, the enigmatic guardian of the Giza Plateau. Carved from a single massive stone, this mythical creature has stood for thousands of years, evoking wonder and speculation about its true purpose and meaning. Modern technology has joined the quest to unlock the pyramid's mysteries. LiDAR scanning, thermal imaging, and ground-penetrating radar are some of the tools employed to reveal hidden chambers and gain a deeper understanding of their construction techniques. The pyramids transcend mere architectural marvels. They embody the cultural and spiritual beliefs of ancient Egypt. These awe-inspiring structures stood as testament to the pharaoh's divine authority, their eternal resting places reflecting a society's devotion to preserving their ruler's legacy. The pyramids, standing as timeless witnesses to an ancient world, continue to ignite our imagination and curiosity. They remind us of the extraordinary achievements that humans are capable of when driven by ambition, belief, and a relentless pursuit of immortality. This carries us to the Aztecs. The Aztecs, a remarkable civilization of Mesoamerica, showcased impressive technological advancements during their reign. While they may not have possessed the same level of technological sophistication as some other ancient civilizations, they developed innovative and practical technologies that greatly impacted their daily lives. Let us explore some of the notable technologies of the Aztecs. While the Aztecs did not possess extensive metallurgical technologies, they did work with metals such as gold, silver, and copper. They developed techniques for smelting and shaping these metals, creating decorative items, jewelry, and ceremonial objects that reflected their status and artistic expression. At the heart of the Aztec calendar system lies the Aztec calendar stone, a monumental stone sculpture adorned with intricate symbols and glyphs. The Aztec calendar consisted of two intertwined cycles, the solar year and the sacred year. The solar year, known as Xiapoali, consisted of 365 days and represented the time it takes for the Earth to orbit the Sun. It was divided into 18 months, each lasting 20 days, with an additional 5 unlucky days known as Nemontemi, considered a time of rest and purification. Each of the 18 months had its own unique name and glyph, representing specific agricultural activities and religious festivals. These festivals played a significant role in the Aztec society, honoring their gods and ensuring the well-being of their agricultural endeavors. The second cycle of the Aztec calendar was the sacred year, known as Tonalpwali. It consisted of 260 days and operated independently of the solar year. The Tonalpwali was a sacred and divinatory calendar, believed to influence individual destinies and guide important decisions. The knowledge and understanding of the calendar system were recorded in beautifully illustrated manuscripts called codices. These codices served as important historical and religious texts, providing insights into the Aztec cosmology, rituals, and their connection to the celestial realm. The Aztec calendar stands as a testament to the Aztecs' advanced understanding of time, astronomy, and their deep spirituality. It reflects their belief in the cyclical nature of time and the interplay between the physical and spiritual realms. The Aztec calendar, a window into the intricate tapestry of time, spirituality, and the rich cultural heritage of the Aztec civilization. The stone technologies of the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic periods revolutionized the way our ancestors interacted with their environment. The invention of tools such as hand axes, spears, and grinding stones enabled them to hunt, gather, and process resources more efficiently. The advent of agriculture brought about settled communities, the cultivation of crops, and the domestication of animals, forever transforming the course of human history. The stone structures and monuments left behind by our ancestors serve as lasting testaments to their ingenuity and craftsmanship. From the awe-inspiring Stonehenge to the intricate rock art of Lascaux, these remnants offer glimpses into their beliefs, rituals, and artistic expressions. As we reflect on the Stone Age, we are reminded of the resilience, resourcefulness, and creativity of our ancient ancestors. Their ability to adapt and innovate with the tools and materials at their disposal paved the way for the extraordinary advancements and achievements of future civilizations. The Stone Age serves as a reminder of our shared human heritage and the enduring connection between our modern lives and the ancient past. It encourages us to appreciate the foundations upon which our societies and technologies are built, and to embrace the spirit of exploration and innovation that defined our early ancestors. As we bid farewell to the Stone Age and move forward into the vast expanse of human history, let us carry with us a sense of wonder, curiosity, and reverence for those who came before us. Their legacy, etched in stone, continues to shape and inspire us, guiding our own journey of discovery and progress. A testament to human resilience, ingenuity, and the enduring power of the human spirit.